Imagine a fighter jet designed to change the balance of power in the skies of Asia, silent, stealthy, and packed with next-generation technology. A jet that is being prepared not just for today's battles, but for the future of aerial warfare. This is the J-35, China's upcoming twin-engine stealth fighter that has captured the attention of analysts, militaries, and aviation lovers around the world. Today, we're diving deep into what makes the J-35 one of the most talked about jets on the planet. Let's start with its purpose. The J-35 is being developed mainly for China's Navy, especially for its new generation of aircraft carriers. Most carrier-based jets around the world struggle with one major issue. They need to be powerful enough to take off from a short runway, survive harsh sea conditions, and still perform air-to-air and air-to-ground missions effectively. The J-35 is being built exactly for that challenge. With twin engines, improved thrust, and stealth shaping, this aircraft aims to give China a strong advantage at sea. Now let's talk about design. The J-35 looks sleek, deadly, and aggressive at every angle. If you notice its body, it has smooth edges, serrated inlets, and low observable contours that help it evade radar. Many compare its design to a mix of the F-35 and F-22, but with Chinese engineering and technology. Whether you agree or not, one thing is clear: this fighter is built to be hard to detect. It uses special radar-absorbent materials and a shape designed to reflect radar waves away from enemy sensors, making it extremely difficult to lock onto. Then comes the cockpit, modern, wide, and fully digital. Pilots are expected to have a panoramic display with advanced helmet systems, giving them a full 360-degree awareness of the battlefield. China is pushing hard toward AI-assisted avionics, meaning the jet can help the pilot manage threats, targets, and mission data automatically. This reduces workload and increases reaction speed during combat. The real magic, however, lies inside the jet, its engines. The J-35's earlier prototypes used imported or older engine designs, but the newer variants are expected to feature upgraded, indigenous engines with higher thrust. Stronger engines mean better acceleration, faster climbs, and more capability to carry weapons without losing maneuverability. And since the aircraft is designed for carrier takeoff and landing, durability and reliability are key. Speaking of weapons, the J-35 is expected to carry a mix of short-range and long-range air-to-air missiles inside internal weapon bays, which maintain its stealth. It can also deploy precision-guided bombs and cruise missiles for deep strike missions. Whether it's air superiority, reconnaissance, or ground attack, this aircraft aims to handle multiple roles while staying hidden from enemy radars. One of the most talked about aspects is the aircraft's naval capability. China's growing fleet of aircraft carriers, including the Type 003 Fujian, needs advanced fighters to compete with the U.S. Navy's F-35C and F/A-18 Super Hornets. The J-35 is China's attempt to match that capability. It is designed with foldable wings, reinforced landing gear, and compatibility with carrier catapult systems, making it a serious contender in maritime environments. But here's where things get interesting. The J-35 isn't just about catching up with rivals, it's about pushing China's long-term aviation ambitions. As China expands its military presence in the South China Sea and Indo-Pacific region, having a stealth fighter that can launch from carriers gives it major strategic reach. It can patrol far, stay hidden, and strike if necessary. This makes the aircraft not just a technological achievement, but a key part of China's future military doctrine. Of course, some questions remain. Will the J-35 match the F-35 in electronics, stealth quality, and engine reliability? How fast will China be able to mass-produce it? And how soon will it fully enter service? These are questions only time will answer. But what is certain today is that the J-35 represents a major step forward in China's stealth fighter program, and the world is watching closely. As development continues, new prototypes keep appearing with changes in design and improvements in performance. This shows that China is upgrading the aircraft quickly and continuously experimenting to perfect it. Whether you admire its engineering or worry about its impact on global military competition, there's no denying that the J-35 is becoming one of the most important fighters of the next decade.